We are a professional manufacturer and solution provider, specializing in complete production lines for gypsum-related building materials, including gypsum powder, gypsum board, gypsum block and gypsum sealant board production lines. Our systems are developed based on real manufacturing needs rather than standardized assumptions. By emphasizing flexibility, adaptability and practical operation, our production lines are designed to integrate effectively with local raw materials, energy structures and operating conditions. More importantly, they enable the stable production of high-quality finished products, helping our clients compete in their local markets and build sustainable profitability. Our clients include mine owners, upstream material suppliers, building material distributors, cross-industry investors, and existing factories seeking expansion or technical upgrading. Despite different backgrounds, they share a common objective: transforming production capability into long-term market leadership and financial returns. With a 66,000 square meter manufacturing base and comprehensive fabrication facilities, our systems are built using internationally recognized components such as Siemens, SKF and AEW to ensure long-term reliability and consistent product quality. We also maintain ongoing collaboration and technical exchange with leading academic institutions in China, including Tsinghua University, focusing on applied research and continuous technical improvement aligned with practical production needs. Beyond supplying equipment, we operate our own board manufacturing facilities, giving us hands-on production experience that ensures smooth commissioning, stable operation, and consistent product quality. We deliver complete, system-level projects covering process design, installation guides, commissioning training, formula and process packages, as well as long-term technical support. Our production lines have been successfully delivered to projects in the Middle East and Africa, including the UAE, Saudi Arabia, Iran, Tanzania, and South Africa. We work closely with our partners to build factories that produce competitive products and create lasting value. Yurui Machinery, engineered for your success.